As an ambassador for Vava Furnitures worldwide, it's very important to me that I see exactly what makes our box tick. 99.9% of our products are manufactured in Nigeria. Now that is so cool, which means that from the wood to the finishing to the painting, everything is assembled and packaged here. At Vava Furniture, we have 17 showrooms all across Nigeria, in Portharcourt, in Kano, in Abuja, and of course in Lagos. And we ship to America. We ship to different parts of the world. We have an office and a factory in New Jersey. And we ship right now to Tanzania, and we're working on shipping to Kenya and Ghana. So it's very important that you know that whatever you want, you can walk into any of our 17 showrooms and pick what you want, and we're going to get it delivered to your doorstep. Yes, to your doorstep. What our customer wants is very, very dear to our hearts. So sometimes you have a customer who says, oh, I like this, but I want this particular accessory from a country. So we get what they want, and then we assemble and couple in Nigeria, and then we add that accessory to give every customer product a unique and individually feel. We have about 1,000 workers directly working with Vava. Now that's amazing. That just shows that Vava is a very huge employer of labor in Nigeria. So guys, what are you waiting for? Come to any of our 17 showrooms in Nigeria and order Vava. And remember, with Vava Furniture, live with what you love.